So we're starting out here today on Trail 357. Look at this view. We've not started out from this point before. This is kind of coming in from the back side of this trail system, so we're getting to do something new today. So come follow along with us as we hit Trail 357 out here outside Woodland Park, Colorado. So while you're following along the trail with us today and clicking that subscribe button, let me tell you about some of my favorite things about this ride on Road 357. It is open to all vehicles, so that means it's a good enough road to where you can enjoy those free campsites, plus still take your truck and trailer down it to find the one that you want. Clint and I both agreed that we really liked coming in from the back side of this trail system. The parking area is really small, only enough room for 2 or 3 trucks. But going from trailhead to trailhead, it worked out great. Here's one of those free campsites right there. Man, you cannot beat free and you cannot beat a good mountain view. So Road 357 is part of the North Divide trail system outside Woodland Park. So the area we came in is closer to Woodland Park, and the Rural Ridge Trailhead is out by Divide. It's a great place you can ride all day long. This was a great short ride for us this morning. We was only out for a couple hours. We were trying to beat the rain, just wanted a nice, quick, easy drive to enjoy the fresh air. So going from trailhead to trailhead worked great for us. Rural Ridge Trailhead has a lot bigger staging area with outhouses. It makes a great stopping point. Another thing we love is these pull-off trails, these like A, B, and C trails. Right there is a new entrance we found for 717. Hey, have you checked out the CoTrex app? It's a must for finding all these trails like 717. See, it's a narrow trail, so Clint's Grizzly barely fit through that trail. But that means that we were allowed on it. So that CoTrex app I was telling you about is great for figuring out what trails you can be on, where they lead, and if they loop around to go where you want to go. It's a must-have. I would really recommend downloading it. We found a nice pull-off spot here for Clint to take a drone break and look at the rain coming in over Pikes Peak. Well, Clint got some drone time in. We made it to the Rural Ridge Trailhead. I ran out of battery juice in the cameras, plus I got busy eating a snack and just totally forgot to video for that. So that'll be a video for another day. Hey, look, there is another free campsite. Look at that. Boy, they've got it made. All right, so we really enjoyed our quick ride this morning. I think 357 is a great road if you're just wanting a nice, relaxing drive. If you're a newbie just wanting to try to learn the ropes, or if you have the kiddos with you. So you can be on a Jeep and a truck. We even seen a few cars today. So it was just a great day to have a great day. And thanks for following along. Hey, we'll post some more Colorado Trail videos in the future. So keep an eye open on our channel. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and follow along with us. We're hightailing it back to the truck now because here in just a few minutes, we are getting ready for a downpour. We just got off of Trail 357. We took it from start to finish this morning. We started here and made our way down to Rule Ridge Trailhead, the trailhead we normally use, but we wanted to come in through the back side of the trail system today and check it out. So that's what we did. We didn't do much Vandeganting around all these trails. We just did 357 from one trailhead to the other just to see. We've got some storms coming in, so we didn't want to stay out too long. So hey, thanks for following along with us. Check out the Mountainscape Lodge on Airbnb.com if you're needing a place to stay in the Woodland Park area. Like us on Facebook and Instagram, and make sure to click subscribe and help us grow this Along the Trail channel.